This video will show you how to use your microwave. Your microwave can be used to cook or heat up food. Put the food on a plate or in a container that is safe to go in the microwave, such as a glass container. Open the door and place the food on the glass plate inside the microwave. Cover the food with a plastic cover or a paper towel to avoid any splashes as the food is heating up. Set the timer. Close the door and press start. Read the manual for the microwave if you are unsure how to set the timer. When the timer ends, open the door. The plate or container will be very hot, so carefully remove the food from the microwave. For more practice, follow the Using Your Microwave card deck in the MagnusCards mobile app.